About a mile south of Oshkosh, rock your wings, please.
Mixtures. Rich. Sorry, Red. I'm just making sure I got a boost
Low
pump.
wing, just
Boost
mile
pumps
south
coming on
of
low.
Oshkosh, rock your wings.
Hydraulic pump power switch.
Coming on.
There you go. Left traffic, runway 36 left. Clear to land, runway 36 left, yellow spot.
Passengers don't matter, propellers.
Going
Camo,
to 2.
yak, runway, change your runway 36 right, runway 36 right, clear to
In-range
land at
checklist
the orange
completed.
spot, roll
Airspeed
all
at
the
your
way to the end.
discretion.
Okay, how about manifold 26, please?
Manifold 26.
And you
Think we got about 4 miles now?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Start down.
Okay.
Matter of fact, you're probably going to be having a
Manifold
little bit
24.
of tough time slowing down. Yeah, you may want to angle
Okay.
out a little bit. They won't care. Or the B-29.
Did you say 24?
Please, manifold 24.
Superfortress in sight, runway 36 right.
Manifold
36
22.
left, clear to land.
Manifold 22.
36 left, clear to land. Superfortress 529 Bravo.
White low wing, turn left in the grass as soon as feasible.
You may want to keep her coming down.
Well, I'm going to get the gear out.
Okay, all right, that's fine. Good.
Gear down, please.
Gear down. Gear is tracking.
Superfortress, where do you park?
Boeing Square, Airshell Square.
Superfortress, roger, just to verify, runway 36 left, clear to land.
The big runway, clear to land. Superfortress 29 Bravo, and if we can't, man, we're probably going to have to back taxi.
Upper 1, over down.
Okay, I got 3 green.
Hopper 1, go to 3 mile initial.
Left 15, please.
15.
I still see the port. Where is it?
Port's not a factor.
That's a slick deal, huh? All right,
Yeah.
4 landing checklist. Landing gear down, 3 green, off. Hydraulic pressure,
2 norm.
wheels and brakes. Dry on the right,
Dry on the left.
Hoppers, can you accept runway 36 right?
tail skid.
Upper 1, down. Single.
You said affirmative?
Flaps are at 15 to go.
Hopper 1, roger,
Right.
runway 36 right, clear to land.
36 right, clear to line up.
Nice job, Jeff. Way to go. Good, safe way to go.
What do you think of the profile? I think we're still high?
I love it. No, you're doing good.
Okay.
You probably can level off for just a little bit if you want. I think
Yeah.
you're doing real good. I did dial up the ILS, but it's not coming up.
No.
Upper 1, move on.
I'd
Upper
say you're
one, say again?
right on. Maybe just a skosh low, actually.
Yeah.
Hopper 1, roger,
Yeah.
runway 3. Did you want to overhead?
That's affirmative.
Hopper 1,
And,
roger, runway
flaps
36
25,
right, clear
manifold
for
24.
overhead approach.
Manifold
Make your
24.
turn, your brake just south of 27, please.
Break just south of 27, Upper 1.
Looking good.
What's the wind down there again?
Wind check, please.
Left 35.
Wind is 29010, gust 1A.
One break right now.
Flaps 35.
Hopper 1,
Thank
look for
you.
traffic. Heading to your right and high. I think they're about 3,000 or so. They're northbound. Looks like a Cessna. Inside.
Left 45, please.
45. Probably just a hair low here, Jeff.
Think so?
Just a little bit
Okay.
low, yeah. Verified 45.
Hopper 1, did you want to just wait for the left side there? It's going to be a few
Left
minutes.
45,
Back in
landing
with
checklist is
B-17. What would you want to do?
Yeah, if you don't got too much traffic, I'll go back out and come in.
Hopper 1, I'm going to extend the downwind, go plan for about a 3 mile initial. It takes them a while to get off the runway.
Hopper 1, will
Looking
go. Thank you.
perfect, perfect,
Kennard,
perfect.
mile south of Oshkosh, rock your wings. Kennard, nice rock, runway 36 right, clear to land on the orange square. Red square.
A little bit slow, maybe bump it up a
Manifold 26.
Manifold 26.
There you go.
Hey, Hopper, you want to come in and play while you're waiting?
Sure.
All right, why don't you go ahead and turn to base, and you can come on in and play. We're going to work around you a little bit, okay?
Hopper 1, roger that. Get a little approach to
Hey,
the right.
ease them off.
Easing off.
Yeah, just proceed inbound, and you can drop it down a little bit, too, if you'd like to. The B-29 is going to be a little bit swinging it around.
Hopper 1 got him inside.
There
I got
you go.
the,
Just hold it right there.
looks like that
Hold it
cannon
right
landing
there.
on the
Hold it
right
right
side.
there. There you go.
Whoa.
Big Ford's over to seaplane base inbound.
Approach midfield right brake. Cessna on the left base, runway 36, rock your wings. Red and white Cessna, rock your wings.
Cessna, looks like a left downwind runway 36. You're southbound. I'd like you to rock your wings, please. Big Ford's over seaplane base inbound. Big Ford in sight,
2,000
continue
foot
inbound. We'll have
marker
more for you
coming up.
shortly. Superfortress all the way to the end and follow the flagman. Thanks a lot. Okay, Superfortress, when you're able, make a 180 back.
Superfortress 180, roger.
Hopper right back around, enter downwind. Big Ford, runway 36 right, clear to land on the red square. Clear to land 36 right, Big Ford. Bonanza half mile to the south on left base, rock
There
your
you
wings,
go.
please. Low wing, looks like Bonanza
Okay.
looking for
Ease
a
us
wing rock
forward
on
for you,
there.
all right?
Nice rock, sir.
There you
It'll
go.
be runway 36
Looks good.
right
Bring it right
for you,
on
but I
around.
need you to
Right on
follow
around.
forward on the opposite downwind. Follow the Ford off to your right. Ford, like you
Looking
turn
good.
in short
Don't lock
for the
her up.
red
Just keep her
square,
coming.
runway 36 right, clear to land. Hopper, extend downwind just a bit.
Hopper.
Big Ford, clear to land. The Bonanza, just let me know you got that Ford in sight.
I got the Ford to say, but I think I'm going to overtake him. 36.
Okay, Bonanza, you can make a slight right turn there. I can't give you the left because obviously there's a warbird on it. Bonanza, you can make a right 270 back to final to follow that Ford. Runway 36 right, clear to land. Thanks a lot for helping out.
No worries, thank you.
F-line checklist flaps are coming up. Strobes are off. Hydraulic pressure.
2 norm.
I think that's going to be good for you there,
All
Bonanza. Turn
flaps
it right back in
open.
down. The Ford will roll
Boost
through. I just need
pumps
1,500
off.
feet on the runway
Heat, heat.
spacing for
Coming
you.
off.
Bonanza
Wheels,
right back
tires.
in, runway 36
Check on the right.
Cleared to land,
Check
and
on
you'll
the
need to
left.
roll all the way to the end. Just follow the Ford in. The
After
second
landing
Ford, you're going to do
checklist
the
is
same
completed.
thing. There's
Thank you,
Bonanza
gang.
on
Super
front of you,
nice
but you
job.
won't catch him. So the second Ford, runway 36 right, also clear to land. Hopper, turn it back in for the left. Little Ford.
Hopper's in that.
Look at that.
Hopper,
They
you can
love
do full
us.
stop or no low pass.
Yeah, we'll do, how far till, how long till the left clear?
I think the left's going to be clear in about 20 seconds.
Okay, let's come up initial and pitch full stop on the left, Hopper.
Hopper, Roger. Plan one more pass, then back for an
Waiting on his tug and everything. Excelente.
Nice. They usually do.
Yeah.
See your time final. What color did you want me to land on?
There's the
Bonanza,
Gene
just
Sushi
any place you
machine.
want there, follow that Ford in there. Land longer is better.
Longer's better.
Longer's better.
Go all the way to the end.
All right.
Just make your break south, right about at the tower or so, and then look out for the Ford that's on the right base. It'll be landing on the skinny runway.
Everything look good here?
Looking good so far.
What about the outboards on
I'm
these
thinking,
airplanes
yeah,
up
let's
here?
kill the outboards here.
Okay.
Fine. Words.
So why don't we come to a stop for a second just to play it safe.
Okay.
It's not a place to have a boo-boo.
No.
Okay, parking brake is set.
Hopper, turn that base outside the Ford, runway 36 left, clear to land.
36 left, clear to land, Hopper.
Ford looks good.
That's the guy that's...
Oh, the one look.
o'clock.
A little bit.
Yeah, spin it a bit.
Standby.
That's
Hopper, Ford inside.
that's good, Rick.
Roger.
That's good. Okay,
Okay.
parking brake's released.
Okay.
Want to push 1 and 4 forward. You got her, Jeff?
Yep, got it.
Just roll all the way in, follow the flagman. Thanks a lot for helping out.
No worries, thanks for having us.
Nice and slow, nice and slow.
Yeah.
That top wing on Susie's biplane is awfully high. Nice
Is that
and
over
easy
on
here,
your
nice
side?
and slow. Yeah, he's on my side. Nice and slow,
Okay.
nice and slow. Keep coming.
Okay.
God, I wish somebody give me a thumb to here.
You got a thumb.
Okay, I got a thumb now. Okay, keep going.
Okay.
Clear to land runway 36 left.
Go that 36 left hop.
Still got a thumb. Still got a thumb.
Still clear. Still good.
Looking good on the right.
Still clear left. Still good.
2 thumbs.
Bunch of thumbs now from line guys. So.
Tower Easy 43 Charlie Zulu is on final for 36.
Easy 43 Charlie Zulu, runway 36 left, clear to land.
Good. Parking brake is set.
To the end and
Securing checklist, please.
The parking brake,
Set.
ignition grounding.
Working on it.
Oh.
Alright, check.
Engine scavenge.
Stand by.
Is that Tinkerbell over there?
Yes.
Oh.
I did my first live feed, man. This is badass.
Brad's out here right now.